First up, since Hurricane Ian hit Florida, Florida families have received nearly $1.8 billion in disaster grants, loans, and flood insurance payments.
The goal, of course, to help with recovery. 10 Tampa Bay's Adoria Chumba brings you up to speed here on where this work stands right now.
The Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, now has 23 disaster recovery centers spread across 26 counties. So far, teams have interacted with nearly 84,000 survivors needing a range of support.
Things are moving very quickly. We have programs available for temporary housing that has been put into play now.
Along with direct housing programs in the 6 affected counties, including Sarasota, FEMA trailers and manufactured homes will start arriving next week. FEMA has provided $689 million to households, $322 million to the state's emergency response, and the U.S. Small Business Administration has provided $499 million in disaster loans.
Additionally, we have the National Flood Insurance Program. That's at about $288 million in claims that have been filed so far.
Disaster teams are going door to door in hard-hit communities, making sure people have what they need and are registered with FEMA.
They have iPads with them. They will have federal identification with them. So we really encourage people to, if someone comes to your home representing FEMA and you haven't registered, please register and make sure that you're in the system.
What are some of the other challenges that FEMA teams are facing as they try to help with the relief and recovery effort?
People, are frustrated with not getting insurance agents out quickly enough. And unfortunately for us, that is a frustration as well, because we want to make sure that if people are covered for insurance, that they're getting what they need.
Operation Blue Roof has installed more than 18,000 roofs on homes, with the final set of installations planned for this weekend.
We want to make sure people are in homes in a safe and secure environment as soon as possible so they can start their rebuilding of their homes.
In Sarasota County, Adoria Chumba, 10 Tampa Bay.
And FEMA is hiring. You can apply online. The agency needs more than 300 people to fill full-time positions. Those are in Brandon, Fort Myers, Kissimmee, Orlando, and Sarasota.